Ever looked at a pallet of toilet paper and thought, this could be my kingdom? Today, we're embarking on a hilarious, slightly insane, and utterly glorious quest to form your very own Costco for Get memberships. We're talking about the ultimate DIY bulk buying boss move. Step 1, embrace the spirit of abundance. Your living room is no longer just a living room. It's your personal warehouse. Think of empty shelves as opportunities for a euro's well. More stuff. Step 2, the art of the bulk. Scour your local grocery stores, discount retailers, heck, even online marketplaces for those suspiciously large packs. We're talking enough cheese puffs to fuel a small nation. Enough socks that you'll never, ever lose another one in the dryer again. Step 3, the fellowship of the 15-pound bag of gummy bears. This is where the community aspect kicks in. Your friends and family aren't just guests. They're your cooners and beneficiaries of your bulk buying brilliance. Offer them a slice of the pie, a pound of the pasta, a handful of Thea euros, whatever it is you bought too much of. Think of it as an exclusive, highly edible subscription service. Step 4, the Costco experience. Reimagined. You've got the bulk, you've got the friends now. Bring the ambience. Set up a tasting station with your bulk snacks. Play that jaunty Costco background music. You know the one. Maybe even don a tiny blue vest. And there you have it. You've successfully created your own personal Costco. It might be a little messier, a lot more personal, and infinitely more hilarious than the original, but hey, at least you know where all your snacks are, and in this economy, that's a win. Silence.